Today we're going to try something completely new, and this could go really well or it could go completely horrible. I'm going to be making these rice alcohol starter balls, which is going to be challenged because we need to inoculate it with a specific kind of mold. I've got rice flour. This is regular rice flour and not glutinous. Okay, actually this is only 80% rice flour, but whatever, still work. In Korean, I'm pretty sure this is called ihwago, which is used to make ihwasul, which is sort of like this yogurty alcoholic rice drink. Boiling water. Was it boiling water? Maybe it was regular temperature water. Okay, warm water. Adding it bit by bit to bring this together. We're getting there, but I'm going to throw my hands in it to really bring it together. I think we're done. So we got this dough, which is quite dry and just about comes together. I'm hoping that should be exactly what we need, hopefully. I went and added a bit more rice flour to this just to make it a bit drier, but it still comes together nicely, forms nice little balls. Speaking of balls, we need to make this into a bunch of balls. You know what, let's actually measure them as well, just for consistency. Let's go for 150 grams each. So we got our rice balls. All we need now is a box and some hay, because we're going to put these in the box covered with the hay. And what the hay is going to do is, hay has a specific mold that we need to inoculate these. On top of that, all the wild yeast are going to get in there. So that mold that we need should be able to process starch into sugar, and then the wild yeast should be able to turn sugar into alcohol. So let's do that. First we'll lay down some hay, and then we'll put these down with a little space in between. So I'll probably do 2 by 3 rows, just like that. And then we'll put some more hay on top. Hold up, I actually have more hay. I'm gonna add a layer of cheesecloth in between. And then a little bit more hay. And then we'll just close this up. I got this big ass elastic band just to hold this shut. And now what I'm gonna do is probably cover this with a tea towel and then put this in my dehydrator for a couple days at like a nice warm temperature, maybe around like 30-ish degrees Celsius. Normally in Korea they use like rice straw or rice hay along with like other dried leaves and stuff. I can't get that here, so I'm using hay because rice straw and hay is basically like kind of the same family. I have no idea if it's gonna work, and hopefully it does, but we'll see soon. I changed my mind. I'm just gonna put it next to a radiator. That should be perfect.